There are festivals you attend, and there are festivals that you feel deep in your spirit. Today, I'm in the ancient city of Oyo. This is a kingdom where culture is not entertainment, but identity. This is the sacred Obatala Festival, the Orisha of calmness, purity, and cleanliness. Today, the Orisha for you, they are stepping into the street, not in a rally, but in a spiritual movement that carries honor, history, and respect. Everywhere was covered in white energy, white clothes, and white art. It is almost impossible not to feel the presence of something ancient, something spiritual. This is something that is bigger than celebration. The Orishas, they came out in large numbers. They are marching the ancient street of Oyo, chanting, singing, and dancing to Obatala. As this continues, we move from place to places, paying homage to sons and daughters of Oyo Kingdom. This is a powerful reminder that honor is never forgotten in the Yoruba religion. Respect is currency. Legacy matters. At every stop, prayers were exchanged and blessings were exchanged. Yeah, my friend. Watching the people of Oyo celebrate Obatala in this form make me realize that culture still lives amongst our people. Today, I did not just attend a festival. I witnessed tradition in motion. I witnessed unity, reverence, culture, spirituality, all of this woven together in one gathering. And to be honest, this is one of the most powerful ancient experiences I've had in Oyo. From the ancient streets to the voices of the Orishas. And this is the story of Obatala Festival 2026. My name is Olukoye Abiodun. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Like, share, and subscribe. And follow us on every other platform. See you in my next video. Bye.